An elliptical orbit, similar to a flattened circle. They all move counterclockwise direction around the sun. This is a direction opposite the movement of hands in a clock. Some orbits are closer to the sun, some are further away. This affects how long a planet takes to complete its orbit. Mercury and Venus are closest to the Sun. Their orbits are shorter than Earth's, which means they have shorter years than our planet. Closest to the Sun is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, with temperatures that swing from scorching hot to freezing cold. This rocky world has no atmosphere to speak of. Its surface is covered in craters, evidence of countless impacts over billions of years. Next, we visit Venus, our sister planet. Similar in size to Earth, Venus is showered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, hiding a small surface that is hotter than any other planet in our solar system. The intense heat, pressure, and toxic atmosphere makes Venus a world of extremes. Earth, on average, takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete its orbit. This is what we call a year. Mars and Jupiter are farther from the Sun, allowing them to have longer years than the Earth. Mars, the red planet, has captivated our imagination for centuries. With its thin atmosphere, vast deserts, and gigantic volcanoes, Mars is a planet of contrasts. Scientists are eager to explore Mars further, as evidence suggests it may have once had liquid water, and perhaps even life. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, is a gas giant with a mass more than twice that of all the other planets combined. Its atmosphere is a turbulent sea of storms, including the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has raged for centuries. Saturn and Uranus and Neptune are even further out. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are even further out. Their orbits are much larger and take a lot of time to complete. Saturn is famous for its magnificent rings, made up of ice, rock, and dust. This gas giant is not just beautiful, its moons like Titan and Enceladus are integrating worlds that may have hold the key to understanding the potential for life beyond Earth. Uranus is a mysterious ice giant, tipped over on its side with a unique rotation. Its atmosphere contains water, ammonia, and methane, giving it a striking blue-green color. Uranus' unusual tilt causes extreme seasonal changes as it orbits the Sun. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, is another ice giant. Its vivid blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere. Neptune is known for its strong winds, the fastest in the solar system, and its large moon Triton, which may hold secrets about early solar system. What is the invisible force that keeps these planets in orbit? Are you ready to answer these questions, students? Let me read the question again. What is the invisible force that keeps these planets in orbit? Are you ready? You're right! The answer is Sun's gravity. It is responsible for keeping the planets in orbit. If the Sun suddenly lost its gravity today, what do you think would happen to these planets? A recap. The planets all move counterclockwise around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Some planets are close to the Sun, some are further away. This affects how long it takes for each one to complete its orbit. Gravity keeps planet in orbit around the Sun. How could you model the movement of the planets around the Sun using only materials found at home? Thank you for listening to the Solar System, students. See you next time.